Hey everyone, welcome to Duke Country Farms. Let me walk over here to the cedar and show it to you. So let me give you an update on our cedar. So we have done a pallet, one of the big pallets full, and we still have this one back here to do. So it's just a long process of having to do it all. And so when we get this one done, then we'll have it all done. There's quite a bit there. So then the next process will Bruce will run it through his table saw for all the edges, and then I will buy polyurethane, seal it, and then we'll start putting it up. So here's our, I'm not sure if you can see that, here's our chicks that we hatched out. And the little chicken that had the scissor bill, well, he didn't make it. We let them outside, and just a few days after we let him out, for some reason we come out and he was just gone. So he didn't make it, but all the rest of them has. So let me give you an update on our goats. On our goats, all of these are doing fine. Even Hercules is doing fine. This little one right here is our granddaughter's. She finally got her registered, full blood. So the rest of these will be DNA'd. And here's our older ones. They're all doing good. But the news I wanted to tell you, we lost our little buck. We believe he ended up with kidney stones. We done everything we knew to treat him. Everything, the vice and everything. We gave him ammonia chloride for 7 days. He lived a week and 3 days after he became sick and down. And so all the advice that we got, we done all the way to antibiotics. Wormed him, then we done the chloride, ammonia chloride on him, drenched him with that for 7 days, and he just could not pull through. So we ended up having to put him down, which was sad. So we have talked to another man. Instead of us buying one, we will go talk to him this weekend, and we may just rent his boer buck from him and breed our 6 does for fall babies. So that's our plans right at this moment. She's gonna say hi. So that's our plans, is to get these girls bred for some fall babies. She wants to say hi. This one here is the one that you seen with our grandson the other day. She is sweet. So we will go do that. We're not sure how he's going to do it, but we will find out if we bring him here or we take our does to him. So I'm not sure what his setup is. So that's our plans here on the farm. We hate that we've lost the male, and we hate we lost the chicken, but other than that, everyone's doing fine. And we have started our garden and trying to get all that done. I'm sorry if the wind is too much today. It's very windy. It has been very windy here in Oklahoma. How are you doing, Hercules? Huh? How are you doing? Hey, girl, you can't claw me, okay? You can't do that. No. Hey, Tilly. Another update that we're doing to the farm, we're going to end up having our barn out here where this brush pile is. So we've been tilling up this land here, seeding it. We're going to fence it off, move the goats out here to clear a lot of this brush. This brush back in here, we did not do it with a dozer. So all of that is going to have to be cleaned up. But this, we're planting some grass and stuff for the goats, and then fence it off and build our barn out there. So let me introduce you to our little dachshunds. This one here, the little red one, is a male, and this is a female. Her name is Sassy. The little male's name is Turbo. We used to raise these all the time when our children were small. We raised them and sold them. So it's been years since we've gotten back into them. So we're getting back into them. And they are so sweet. Sassy is on a cable. And the reason is she'll chase the chickens, the goats, everything. So we have to keep her leashed up when we let her out of the pen so that she will not chase and kill my chickens. Now Turbo, he doesn't chase the chickens. He minds really well. And so he gets to run free. And poor Sassy, she doesn't mind. She will not leave things alone. So as I was saying, it's so windy out there with our male goat. He had kidney stones, or we assume he had kidney stones. He had all the symptoms. I did go purchase ammonia chloride, and we drenched him for 7 days. We gave antibiotics, we gave fluids, and he just never could go to the bathroom. And so we worked with him and took advice from different people on trying to treat him, and it just got to the point that he was suffering really bad, so we could not do anything else for him that a vet could not do for him. So besides doing surgery and castrating, we did not want to do that, but he's no longer suffering. We no longer have him. So we are going to talk to a man later this week, go to his place and look at his Boer buck that he has offered to lease us to breed our does with. We have 6 that we can breed. 1 we cannot, she's too small. But instead of us purchasing a buck at this moment, we are going to lease his. We've never leased before, so we'll see what his terms are. And so maybe we will have fall babies after all. And with the cedar situation, it is a long process to plane every board that we have. And Bruce, sorry, my dog's in there. Bruce has taken a side job. So it takes up our Saturdays. He'll finish this week. So after Saturday, we'll get back on it and hopefully start that in the next week or so. Being able to, if he can run it through the table saw, then I will start putting a sealer on everyone, and we'll seal it before we put it up. And hopefully in a few weeks, the front of the house will be complete.